Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Cardano. The price line of Cardano is still moving in a very long down channel, and I'm expecting that now it is going to break out the resistance of this channel. And I'll show you why I'm expecting that. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me recall my previous analysis that I shared with you, and that was a formation of a very big harmonic bullish reversal Gardley move that it has formed on the weekly time frame. And this was a chart, by the way, I shared for my members at the Patreon on 27th of December when this final leg was completed, and I told my members that from this potential reversal zone we can expect a reversal move towards the upside. Now after playing this chart, we can see that we are still moving inside this buying zone. Now the reason for the price line is not able to start the reversal move is that it has found a very big resistance of this long term down channel. You can see the price line is moving inside this down channel since August 2021, and so far it is not able to break it out. We have rejection here back in September, at the start of September. Then we had few rejections here. Again, we had a fake out here in January 2022, and again moved down. And after some accumulation, we moved up, and this was our final rejection that we had on 10th of Feb. And after this rejection, we are now likely to gear up again. We need to observe this support. That is really very strong support of $1, and you can see the price line is likely to form a double bottom formation here at $1 support. We got bounced from here from this support, and now we are again getting bounced from the same support. And this double bottom can provide a very nice push to the price line to break out the resistance of the channel. Now we need to keep an eye on this stochastic as well. You can see whenever the price line is reaching the support of the channel, and if the stochastic is oversold, then you can see the price line is starting the move towards the upside to hit the resistance once again. And again happened here when we reached here at the support, stochastic entered the oversold zone, we again rallied up. Again, price line reached the support here, the stochastic moved to the oversold zone and turned bullish, and the price line also turned bullish, and we had a fake out here. And this again happened here. We moved at the support, and the stochastic moved up, and the price line rallied to up to this resistance of the channel and rejected once again. This time stochastic is in oversold. We have again received the bull cross, a buying signal by the stochastic, like this blue line has crossed up this orange line, but the price line did not reach the support of this channel, and it is turning bullish from here. Therefore, this time there is a very high probability that we can break out the resistance of this channel. Now the target for this channel is obviously the top of the channel, that is approximately here at $3. However, we can also follow the targets of this harmonic reversal move that starts from $2.08 and goes to $2.74. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.